This glass is full. I'm going to keep it here. And I'm going to walk around this whole hall. Can I do it? Can I do it? Yes. And I'm going to stop and talk to each one of you. Can I do it? And can I come back to this stage in half an hour with the glass still full? Yes or no? Sure. 20 steps, 2,000 people, walking half an hour, so much to do. Can I come back with the glass full after half an hour? Anji? If I? What would I have to do to come back with the glass full? Because if I don't take care, the glass will be empty on the first step. That's one way of living. That it could just spill off on the first step. And if I take care, after an hour I can come back with the glass full. So what's that one little care that I have to take while I'm doing everything that I'm doing, and yet this glass should be full? What do I have to do for that? Priority. Priority in life. This glass full is here. I am a peaceful being. I am a happy being. I am a loveful being. I am a divine being. I am a powerful being. Glass full. This glass is full. All that I have to do is walk around throughout the day, do everything that I'm doing, meet everybody, with everybody, do everything, but take care. हो सकता है? Can I do it? Yes. Important is I have to put this as my first priority in life, which means now I'm going to start walking like this and I'm going to do everything that I'm doing, but my attention is going to be here. And if something comes on the way, the first thing that I'm going to take care of is class. That's all. That's all. Baby in the cradle and mother doing everything at home used to be a scene 20 years back. आजकल पता नहीं होता क्या नहीं होता. But होता तो था पहले. Baby in the cradle and the mother taking care of all the responsibilities of the house. Can she take care of the child while doing everything that she is doing? First priority, baby. So which means while she is doing everything, she only has to keep one attention. And if that baby starts crying, what does she have to do? 10 seconds withdraw, go to the baby. Where does that baby live? Where does that baby live? Yeah. Man mera bachcha hai. Do everything. They can only take care this baby. And if it starts crying, why did he walk out of the hall? It started crying. What do I have to do? 10 seconds withdraw. It's okay. They had to go. They were getting bored. Keep quiet. Finished. 10 seconds. This is meditation. Connecting to yourself, connecting to him, creating the right thought, healing the pain, back into action. But if I don't take out that 10 seconds, I will create a very deep programming here. They don't love me, they don't respect me, and that becomes the background music of my life. 10 seconds. So what's the first priority in our life? लेकिन अगर मैंने सोचा कि this glass is empty, and I have to walk around the whole day just so that this glass will be full, then I will not pay attention to the glass because I believe that the glass is empty. And who will fill it for me on the way? So I will stop at each one and say, please love me, please respect me, please understand me, please trust me. मतलब मेरा glass भरो. Please fill my glass. We thought that it's other people who are going to fill my glass. It's other people who are going to fill my glass. And so I actually went to everybody and I stood there and I said, please be nice to me. I want to be happy, please be nice to me. And jitna I went stood like that, my glass was getting empty. My glass was getting empty. Only one wrong programming. And then I just started learning meditation. And the first thought that I was taught was, glass is full. I said, Acha, glass is full? I thought purpose of my life is to fill the glass. That's what I thought. So purpose of my life is I have to do this to be happy. I have to have these relationships to experience love. I have to go here and there to experience peace. I thought my glass was empty and purpose of my life is to fill the glass. The truth is the glass is full. And the purpose of my life is to radiate peace, happiness, and love to everyone I meet on the way. Completely different programming. Completely different programming. So I don't want peace, I don't want love, I don't want happiness. I am a peaceful being. If we were not peaceful beings, you will not raise your hand and you will not say that tomorrow in that scene I can respond in a peaceful way. But because you said, yes, I can, it's because we have that sanskar. So, glass full. Do I need love? Every morning, create this one thought. It's very useful. I need nothing from anyone. मुझे किसी से भी कुछ नहीं चाहिए. Because I want to shift from standing like this every day. Love me, trust me, approve of me, accept me, appreciate me, validate me. One way of living is like this, and one way of living is like this. Satyug, divine souls, golden age. Divine means Devi Devta, the one who gives, dene wala. Kalyug, the world is going through a shift. The world is going through a shift. And when I awaken my inner peace and my power to be at peace always, it's not only I will shift from this to this, the world will shift from this to this. And that's what we all want. We want the world to shift. We want the world to shift. We want the world to shift. Yes? We want all the pain, the suffering, everything to just disappear. We don't want anyone to fall ill. We don't want anyone to die at a young age. We don't want all this. We want a world where everyone is happy, united, harmony. We want that world. Now we have to create that world. But to shift from this to this, I have to fill myself here with the awareness, the right thought, I am a peaceful being. And second, I'm child of, and God is the ocean of peace, the ocean of love. If my parent is a millionaire, I can't go outside and say, $1 de do. I can't. But I do it when I forget whose child I am. I forget it. And I go out to the world and say, please, please give me. I forget whose child I am. And if I only remember this is who I am and this is whose child I am, I will start using all that I have. And when I start using what I have, then radiating it to everyone becomes a natural way of living. And then the sanskar of using peace will go into the automated way. Be ready. After 1 month, you are going to say, "मैं क्या करूं? मेरे को गुस्सा नहीं आता. What do I do? I can't get angry." Do you want to shift to that stage? Yes. All that it reads, new way of driving the car. New way. That's it. Today we are saying, I can't be at peace. After 1 month, we are going to say, I can't get angry because I've started using the other song. But for a few days, to shift from this to this, I need to practice. When you shifted from driving in India to driving here, few days was a transition time. Tha na transition time. And during that transition time, someone was teaching you to drive the new way. And that's what happens when I came to the Brahma Kumari Center. Someone taught me the right way to think. And that was the meditation. That is what I learned when I came for the first time. Otherwise, I could have lived my entire life like this. And yet in that entire life, we are more focused on the friend and the scissor, but not on the sanskar, which is my permanent property. कुछ नहीं जाएगा और साथ में. Everything I've earned, everything I've studied, all the relationships I created, and everything I constructed, and this body, everything left behind. But I cannot leave my sanskars behind because that's recorded here. It's like a CD, out from this player into a new player. It's going to play the same song. So you may shift from a 100-year-old player into a 1-year-old player. Songs will be the same. And that's why children, someone can be very peaceful and someone can be a very I was once in the market and there was this lady with a 2-year-old daughter, very beautiful angel, and I just looked at her and I did this. She gave me one patak. And I was like, 2 साल का बच्चा ऐसे कैसे करता है? How can she do this? And she just hit me like this in her little way, but she hit me. I just came out of that shop and I was on the escalator and there was this 80-year-old lady shouting at the person over there. And I said, now this 80-year-old lady, this soul will leave the body, go into there, and that child was fighting over there and hitting. That's simple. Then why am I questioning कि 2 साल का बच्चा ऐसे कैसे कर सकता है? Because we look at the age of the body and think that the sanskar is anything to do with age. Sanskar is to do with the soul, not with the age of the body. So it's one investment. An investment of working on myself to change my sanskar is one investment which is not limited only to this lifetime. Benefit of that goes with me. Do I have time? Do I have time? Do I have time to learn meditation? Yes. Anyways, we are very easy. We have ample time. Just keep saying this from today. I have lot of time. Just say it. Just say it repeatedly. It's an affirmation. I have lot of time. I have lot of time. I have lot of time. And one affirmation is, I have no time. I have no time. I have no. It's a choice. But that choice is going to decide how you feel. So be very, very careful. I am, fill in the blank, write it carefully over there. Because what we write is who we become. I am busy is who I will become. I am irritated is who I will become. I am aggressive is who I will become. I am weak is who I will become. For simple habits, we say, I cannot give up this habit. I cannot give up this thing that I'm drinking, I'm smoking, I'm eating the wrong food. I cannot give it up. And every time I say, I cannot give it up, so will my destiny be. And the other option is, I am a powerful being. I am a powerful being. And I choose what to think, what to speak, what to eat, what to drink, how to behave. I choose. That's it. The mind, the brain, and the body will respond. So I am. Put very carefully. And write only that what you want to be. So what do we want to be? So I am peaceful being. What else do we want to be? Powerful. Never, ever, ever say, I am weak, I cannot do this. I met a brother on the flight the other day. He said, everything is perfect in my life, but I cannot give up alcohol. I said, Acha. I have tried, but I cannot do it. I said, oh. It's very difficult to give up. In 3 minutes, 8 times he said, ye nahi ho sakta. I cannot do it. It's very difficult. I've tried. I will not be able to do it. Other people can do it. I cannot do it. Destiny. Destiny. Choose carefully. Now, shift. Please teach him right way of thinking. I am. First, I am. I am a powerful being. I can do everything I choose to do. Hanji? Changing my sanskar is the easiest thing to do. I eat and drink only and only and only sattvic, what is healthy for me. 10 days, habit change. Otherwise, many lifetimes, same habit. Same habit. It's a choice. It's a choice. And Brahma Kumaris and Raj Yoga meditation is a meditation which gives us the power to use the right sanskar. Because many times we say, oh, but there are so many meditation techniques in the world. How would I know which one is right to me? Every meditation technique is beautiful. It can just never be wrong because it's something which is healthy for the mind and for the body. But I have to choose what I want from my meditation. One meditation could be just for me to feel relaxed for 10 minutes. So I just sit, breathe in, breathe out, focus on my breath, relax, and I get very relaxed. One meditation. To experience relaxation for 15 minutes. And Raj Yoga meditation is to be relaxed throughout the day by creating a sanskar of relaxation. So there's a little difference. It's not for few minutes, for few hours, or a day retreat for few days. It is changing the sanskar. So Raj Yoga meditation is about transformation of sanskars because we firmly believe sanskar बदलेंगे तो संसार बदल जाएगा. संस्कारों से ही संसार बनता है. और अगर हम अपने संस्कार बदलेंगे तो हम एक नया संसार बनाएंगे. So we will all make a personal commitment today that we are going to give half an hour to ourselves daily. 24 hours, let people be their way, let situations be what they are meant to be tomorrow. I respond with peace, understanding, and stability for 24 hours. Why? Because I am a peaceful, powerful being. And in the next 24 hours, I will get to know my own power. I will get to know what wealth I have, which I have not been using. And then tomorrow night at 9 o'clock, decide how you want your life to be. Because in these 24 hours, you will know the power which you have, which you are not using only because we were not aware that we have that power, only because we didn't know the glass is full.